Hey everybody, this is Becca. We are at Webtech 2022. I am here at the Flowserve booth with Mike. And Mike, you guys have not come to Webtech in a while. What does it feel like to be back?
It feels great. We're thrilled to be here. We've always been part of water and had the products, the portfolio, but it's even more exciting because in 2019, we planned to be here in 2020. We knew we hadn't been here for a number of years. We wanted to commit to it, and then things just got a little more complicated. So we got delayed, but we're here. We have a significant team here, and we have all of our products, and super excited about our product today, so we'll talk about that soon.
Yep. Yes, and why don't you tell people, what is the big, impact you're able to make in the water wastewater space, specifically since we're at Webtech?
Sure. Yeah, I think first off, it's a big piece of our business. So we want to hear from our customers, be in tune with them. A lot that we haven't seen in person in a while, so that's really important. And then we're bringing quite a few products, not just the one we're talking about today, but several pumps, valves, actuators to this space. And I think we're going to be a lot more relevant than we were maybe 5-10 years ago. So very excited to have kind of the efficient solutions, the kind of engineered approach, just everything that we have in North America, especially to talk to this group.
That's wonderful. Yep. And without further ado, let's talk about the product.
Awesome.
So tell us about Flex.
All right. Cool. Yeah, today we have 2 different launch events going on. So we're here. We're also at the IDA International Desalination Show that's going on in Sydney. So this morning I woke up to LinkedIn post. Our team was showing off the similar, exact same design, but on the other part of the world. And we've been working over 3 years to bring this to fruition. And so it's a game changer. We're excited about our customers getting access to it, but also just being able to talk to it at all the shows that we're at today. So.
Okay. Well, why is this a game changer product for the industry?
I think first, when we talk to our customers, we're already selling and serving to the market, and especially desalination in the part of water. So we have pumps and valves, and we already felt we had efficient solutions, but as far as pressure exchange device, our customers typically only one option, so that's really difficult for them. And we found, we could really take it to the next level, a new generation of technology. So this is a patented device, top efficiency. It's on another scale, just footprint, 50% smaller than anything that's out there and a whole lot simpler. So we feel excited about bringing this to our customers and talking about it here for the first time.
Awesome.
Yep.
And why don't you explain to everybody how it works?
Sure. Well, I think it's very helpful. We got the animation in the background, and you can click through our website. We got everything posted there now. But you can see in any RO, membrane process, there's going to be a lot of wasted energy unless you have some sort of pressure exchange device. So number one cost of any RO desal plant is energy, and that's going to the pumps, which we are very much a part of, but you can only make those so efficient. So this exchange device allows really 2 parts of the process to share what could be wasted energy to boost the supply side of those membranes. So that's what it looks like. I think the general technology has been out there in a rotational energy device, but for us, you can see we've come up with a much more simpler solution than what's been out there. And part of the patented technology is this one moving part, which is this rotating rotor, and that's where all the exchange and the magic happens. You saw that up on the screen a moment ago, and it's really that elegant. We got 2 end covers, and just this normally would be 2 pieces that bolt together. That's all in red here. It wouldn't be. This is just for show purposes. And then these 2 titanium housings, all the ceramics that are involved inside. So the exchange, there's no motor involved. It's all self-powered and extremely efficient. So anyway.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what would you say to customers that already have a pressure exchanger and why they should use yours instead?
I think we got two different kind of groups of opportunity out there, or challenges our customers face. One is install base. So they could have reliability issues. They could have just service support. Maybe they want to go one provider where they can have pumps valves, pressure exchange device, talk about, just energy usage and efficiency across their plant when they couldn't really do that before. I think with Flowserve, with our experience, that's going to be different. But also just, that's the beauty of this. If you look at this size versus if you look on what's going to come up here, what's on the website, what's existing today, this is a much smaller footprint. So we're talking being able to retrofit any installation that's out there because we're just a much smaller layout and customizable for any setup. So there's not really a worry about, is it going to fit into the space that I have set up already, et cetera. And then going forward, just looking at a plant layout, we really believe the piping, engineering that goes around the whole rack system, this is going to fit much more compact and give a lot more freedom to a piping designer or RO plant operator going forward. So really excited about that for a new facility.
Yeah, that's awesome. And, especially the size, I know that is really important, especially when it's a tight fit a lot of the time in those plants anyway. But what about the maintenance costs and operation? I know that this product is going to lower that. So can you talk on that a little bit more?
Sure. I think one part of it is just, you got your overall costs, but as far as this, we've already had 8 of these units in service over a year. And that's, we've taken one or a couple of those out now to look at them, but they've been in pristine condition. So 10 years has been kind of the gold standard. We feel exceptionally comfortable with that. There's no way we're getting limited data points back, but we really feel with the monitoring we've done in the units in the field so far, what they look like when they've come back. 10 years is definitely doable. Where we're going to go to, we really don't know yet. So
you'll find out when you get there.
Exactly. So I think that's part of it. And then the efficiency. We talked about it briefly, but just be able to save kilowatt hours a day on one of these types of units compared to the other options that are out there or something that's been in the field for a while, that's a cost that hits everybody no matter where it's being used, and it adds up. And you can read any Wall Street Journal, New York Times. I mean, energy is going to be increasing cost and worry for all these operators out there, planning new facilities or the ones that they're already operating. So
yeah, and that's definitely very important.
Good reason to upgrade.
Yes, and really for all scales of the business. So of course the people that are in there on the plant floor, but then all the way up to the top for those energy savings.
Exactly.
So I know that this product is specifically for the desal markets,
right.
But because it deals with brine, are you seeing like in the future you guys being able to use this in the mining industry?
Yep, definitely. I think we're seeing a trend more higher pressures, different membranes that are out there. And this is going to fit anywhere you're using a traditional RO membrane setup to have clean water for those mining operations. But also there's zero liquid discharge. There's kind of brine, concentrated brine mining for all those valuable minerals that they're after. And I think we don't see any technical challenges moving this to the next level of pressure or those applications. So we're excited about talking to those customers, seeing how this could fit in. But we feel like we've designed something that's very future looking. So
awesome.
Excited.
Well, Mike, thank you so much for talking with us about Flex. And everyone that is at Flowserve, you need to make sure to stop by the booth and check it out yourself. And if not, they have awesome resources on their website that you can learn about it at home.
You bet.
But
Thanks,
thank
Megan.
you.